gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before we go any further, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button and then of course hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. This is my first ever FabFitFun box. This is their winter box. I actually got this Black Friday. They were like having a little deal, so I decided to try it out. So they said it's a mini box, but this is huge, you guys. So we are going to get into this. Obviously it's a long overdue, but it's still winter, so they have the winter box. We are going to open this baby up and see what is inside. I have seen really good reviews about this. I love how huge the box is. It says, welcome to your new favorite thing. I really hope so. Okay, so the first thing is a magazine, FabFitFun. It says, are we friends yet? I wonder if it's just a magazine. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. The box smells so good. It just has a bunch of different things in here. So just like a bunch of different stuff. Okay, next it says a note from us. I'm not gonna read the whole thing. It just says, talks about the starter box, etc., etc. It says what's in the box. Total retail value is $162. And then it tells you everything that is in there. So as I go along, I will tell you guys pricing. Oh my gosh, look at how cute it is packaged. I don't even want to mess it up, you guys. It's so cute. It's adorable. Okay, we're gonna have to mess it up. I'm so sad. All right, so the first thing I grabbed out, nothing's in particular order, I am just grabbing, is, I don't know how to say this, Spongele. It says multi-use black, I cannot even talk. Beyond cleansing body wash infused buffer. This is what smells so good, bruh. This is amazing, you guys. So this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to try it out. It's nice and squishy. So this retails for $16. It is Black Orchid. Is that how you say it? Orchid, orchard, orchid? That's how you say it. That's what it is, okay? Black orchid. That's it, right? Is that it? Did I say it right? Orchid? All right, we're going on, you guys. I swear I get tongue tied. All right, so ooh, next is the Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Pure Argan Oil Leave-In Mask. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out, bruh. I'm excited. No, I ripped the box. I hate when I rip pretty packaging. It's so cute. All right, let's see what it looks like. And it looks like it's full size. This is what it looks like. Cannot wait to try that. And it's a leave-in. I love a good leave-in. That retails for $39. The next thing, ooh, this is cool. Oh my gosh, so it's a Repair Day Cream. Let's see, it looks nice and fancy. It's toxic free, all that good stuff. Ooh, this is what it looks like. And this retails for $49, you guys, $49. So this is a mini box because it only comes with 4 products. So I am going to have to order the full winter box because I need a full experience, you guys. You guys know I love subscription boxes, beauty boxes. Ipsy I've been getting for, gosh, I don't even know how long. I know it's been well over 7 years. It's been a long time, you guys. All right, so this is Yumi, and this is so freaking cute. I love this. I'm a sucker for bags and all type of cute stuff. I have a ton, but I'm a sucker for them. This is really cute. Looks so nice. I love the gold plate here. It is nice gold zipper. This is gonna be cute for traveling, taking your makeup in, and this retails for $58. Would I personally spend $58 on this? I would not. I just got the Kylie one and it's probably about the same size, and I paid I think $62, but it came with obviously the Kylie mini skincare kit. So this alone is $58. This is the inside. It's cute though. I like it. I'm glad I got it, but I would personally not spend that much on this. There's no way, no way. But it's cute and I'm glad I got it, you guys. Again, I'm gonna have to get the full winter box so I can unbox that, but this is my first time ever getting FabFitFun. It took me a while to figure out if I was even gonna get this, but I'm glad I did. It's super cute. I think it's normally $39.99 or it's 49. No, it's $49.99 every season. So you're gonna get 4 boxes a month. So you're gonna do winter, you're gonna get spring, summer, and then you're gonna get a fall box. So I don't think that that's too bad because everything's probably well over $50. And I think your first one is like either $39.99 or right now I think the winter one's like $29.99. So I'm slouching. So I'm gonna have to get the winter one and then try it out, see what comes in there. I'm excited to see. It's probably in here, like everything that comes in the winter one. So I'll look through that and see, you guys. But yeah, so I just wanted to unbox that with you guys. Of course, you're gonna see me in this probably twice because you guys know I film multiple videos in the same day. But that is it for this video, you guys. Stay tuned for more videos, you guys. I'm gonna have a ton of makeup videos coming soon, wig reviews. I got it all coming, okay? We got some more unboxings, Ipsy, Allure, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, you guys, and comment down below what you guys want to see me review next, what videos you guys want to see. Let your girl know. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, smash the thumbs up. Smash the thumbs up. I should have said smash the bell because that's what Noah says. Share the video, you guys, and that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.